Are you looking for the cheapest way to send money from Zambia to China? Maybe you're paying Chinese suppliers, ordering goods for resale, paying tuition, or sending business payments. Whatever the reason, you want low fees, fast processing, and zero stress. In this video, I'll show you the most cost-effective way to send money from Zambia to China safely and reliably. Let's get into it. Sending money from Zambia to China using traditional banks can be expensive. Bank transfer fees are high. Exchange rates are not always favorable. Processing times can take days, and sometimes payments get delayed or reversed. When you're running a business, time is money, and unnecessary charges reduce your profits. So, what's the cheapest solution? The most affordable way to send money from Zambia to China is by using a trusted local payment agent who understands both currencies and Chinese payment systems. Instead of paying high international bank charges, you can send money directly to China through WeChat, Pay, Alipay. This method reduces banking layers, lowers transfer costs, and speeds up delivery. That's where I come in. I help individuals and business owners in Zambia send money to China quickly, securely, and at competitive rates. Here's how it works. Step 1, contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2, tell me the amount you want to send and share the recipient's WeChat or Alipay details. Step 3, make your local payment using the agreed method. Step 4, I process the transfer to China. Step 5, the recipient confirms payment. Simple, fast, cost effective. Now, why choose me? I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and international transfers. I offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees, fast processing times, professional and secure handling of transactions, a strong reputation built on trust. When it comes to international payments, you need reliability and someone who understands the system. I take that responsibility seriously. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, you must contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through other unofficial platforms. WhatsApp only. If you want the cheapest and most reliable way to send money from Zambia to China, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's help you save money and grow your business. See you on WhatsApp.